In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Deliveroo as a rider. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you easily navigate the process, ensuring that you can effortlessly access your hard-earned cash. First, you'll want to head over to the Deliveroo Rider's website. This is your go-to hub for all things related to your Deliveroo experience, with everything you need conveniently located under one digital roof. Once you're there, your next step is to click on the Support section. This area is designed to assist riders with any questions or issues they might face. It's a useful resource not just for withdrawing money, but also for resolving any other concerns you might encounter while partnering with Deliveroo. Now, to specifically find information about cashing out your funds, you need to type "How do I cash out" into the search bar located in the Support section. This search function is incredibly handy, acting as your personal assistant to help you find exactly what you need without having to navigate through multiple pages. After entering your query, you'll see an option that says "How do I cash out?" Click on this link, as it will take you directly to the comprehensive guide that explains the withdrawal process. Once you've clicked the link, make sure you read through all the details provided on how you can cash out. This guide will inform you about the steps you need to follow, any potential fees involved, and the timing around when you can expect to see the money in your bank account. It's important to familiarize yourself with these details to avoid any surprises down the line and to ensure that you follow the correct procedure. A quick tip here: while you're reading the details, make a note of any specific requirements or conditions that may affect your ability to withdraw funds smoothly. For instance, some riders may find that particular banking details need to be updated for the transfer to go through successfully. Staying informed will make your experience more straightforward and hassle-free. If at any point you feel stuck or unsure about what to do, remember you can always return to the support section for additional help or even contact Deliveroo's support team for personalized assistance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings from Deliveroo with ease. We hope this guide helps make your experience as a Deliveroo rider seamless and efficient. Don't forget to check out our other video tutorials for more helpful advice and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy delivering.